Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifiers 350W Industrial Silent Home Basement Warehouse Mobile Moisture Absorber Dryer is an impressive solution for anyone battling excess humidity in their living or working spaces. This unit is not only powerful but also designed with user convenience in mind. With a robust 350W motor, this dehumidifier efficiently extracts moisture from the air, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, or any other large area prone to dampness. It can remove up to 30 liters of moisture per day, significantly improving air quality and preventing mold growth. This feature alone makes it a worthwhile investment, especially for those living in humid climates. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its near-silent operation. Despite its industrial power, it manages to operate quietly, allowing you to go about your daily activities without disruption. Whether you're working in a warehouse or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the soothing hum of this unit is barely noticeable. Portability is another highlight. Equipped with sturdy wheels and a compact design, moving it from one location to another is a breeze. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to set your desired humidity level, and the auto shutoff feature ensures that the unit turns off when the water reservoir is full, preventing any overflow issues. The overall build quality is commendable, designed to withstand the rigors of industrial use while still being aesthetically pleasing enough for home settings. The energy efficiency of this dehumidifier also deserves praise. It operates efficiently, which can lead to lower electricity bills over time. In conclusion, the Dehumidifiers 350W Industrial Silent Home Basement Warehouse Mobile Moisture Absorber Dryer is a top-tier choice for anyone in need of effective moisture control. With its powerful performance, quiet operation, and ease of use, it provides excellent value for its price, ensuring a comfortable and dry environment in both residential and commercial spaces.